partner starts her day normally, completing orders, earning steadily. Then suddenly heavy rain hit. Roads flood, orders stop, income drops to zero. And this isn't rare. Gig workers constantly face disruptions, weather, pollution, curfews. Yet they have no income protection, no simple insurance, no real-time compensation. So we asked, what if income didn't stop even when work did? So here is our solution.
Introducing Chill Insure, an AI powered parametric insurance platform designed specifically for gig workers. Chill Insure detects real world disruptions, predicts income loss, automatically triggers payouts, and ensures fairness using a multi agent AI system. No claims, no paperwork, no waiting. The calm for your gig during the storm. Our system follows a simple but powerful flow. On board, risk score, weekly policy, monitor, trigger, AI decision, payout.
So, how does Still Ensure actually work? It starts when a delivery partner signs up, selects their platform, and enables location. That's it. We then use ML models like XGBoost to analyze their area, weather patterns, and work behavior to generate a risk score. Based on it, we create a simple weekly policy, usually between 20 to 70 rupees. Once active, everything is automatic. We continuously monitor real world conditions like rain, AQI, and curfews. When a disruption crosses a threshold, our system checks if it actually impacts the earning. If it does, we calculate the loss as expected earning minus actual earning and instantly trigger the payout.
But what makes Chill Ensure powerful is how we ensure fairness. Even in edge cases like when someone claims from home, we don't reject immediately. We simply ask for an order ID and verify. We also go beyond GPS. We validate movement patterns, actual deliveries, claim frequency, and even compare with other workers nearby. If others are working normally in the same area, the claim is likely false. We have added route intelligence to detect risky route choices and a trust score to prioritize genuine use.
Chill Insure is more than insurance. It's a financial safety net for millions of gig workers. We combine AI powered prediction, real time automation, zero touch claims, intelligent fraud detection, all designed to remove stress from workers' life. Because even if the weather isn't chill, your income should be.